早上好，今天2020年4月28日星期二。So we will do the starter first. Okay, so translate these 10 vocabularies, and the paper challenge will make one sentence about the time now. So 5 minutes, off you go. Okay, so the first one is clock. Okay, 点. It's not the clock with, but only when you say the time like 10 o'clock, the clock. 体育课, we have learned before, PE class. 美术课, which is art class. 分 means minute. Okay? And 半, if you see this character, you will know that it's half, right? I cut everything half, we have mentioned yesterday. 现在, it means now. This one, 几, we have learned before, like how many, how much. 你的生日是几月几日? 也 means also. Connect what? Two sentences, right? 非常 is extremely. So for example, you say 我非常喜欢英文. I love a lot extremely English. 最 the most. Okay, 我最喜欢德文. For example, so the purple challenge sentence is 现在9点55分. So now is 9 o'clock and 55 minutes. Okay, so we will practice more about the time. So this is what we learned yesterday. 现在几点? Okay, and you answer 现在6点. So 现在几点? 现在1点. 现在几点? 现在2点. 现在几点? 现在3点. 现在4点. 现在5点. 现在几点? 现在6点. Continue. 现在几点? 现在7点. 现在几点? 现在8点. 现在几点? 现在9点. 现在几点? 现在10点. 现在几点? 现在11点. 现在几点? 现在12点. So everything is the same except what? 两, right? I told you because 点 is major word and before the major word it should be 两点. So you can have a pause. Try to ask yourself, answer, what time is it? Yeah, and then for this 12 o'clock. Okay, so we'll practice more with the minutes. It's exactly the same. 现在几点? 现在是. If you want to say 是 is okay, like now is. 1点10分. 现在几点? 现在是9点30分. Or you can say 9点半. Okay, so half. When you say half, you don't have to say 分, you just say half. 9点半. So now you can tell the times in Chinese. Okay, so first one, you will say 1点, 現在1點1分. Or you would like to say the 0, of course you can. You can say 現在1點01分, 01. 現在3點05分. 現在3點30分, or you can say 3點半. 現在4點10分. 現在4點28分. 現在8點35分. 現在9點50分. 現在11點18分. 現在12點13分. 現在6點45分. 現在7點07分. 現在12點09分. Okay, so you will tell the times in Chinese, and this page will help you because they have pinyin. So you can again ask yourself or just repeat the time by yourself in Chinese. Okay, so this page will help you. So now you will ask me, so how you will say, how about that AM, PM, right? So Chinese we have way, but before I teach you, I would like to ask you, how about you think PM and AM, where we'll put it in front of the time, like hour or minute, or after the hour or minute? Yeah, so do you still remember I told you about the time order in Chinese is from big to small? So for us, AM and PM is bigger than the hour and minute. So of course it will put in front. So they are this. So we have 早上. So range is like from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock approximately. Okay. Or you say 上午. Yeah, like from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Again, approximately. And then we have 中午, like noon, midday. And we have 下午from this range. And we have 晚上, like after 6 p.m. Okay, so this will be our range that we'll use. Would you please copy it down? And also write the clock around, again, like 3 minutes. Okay, let's practice. So how about this one? You will say 现在早上. Okay, so you say 早上 first. 6点41分. 现在上午8点30分. 现在中午 something like 12点 12 o'clock. 现在下午 in the afternoon 4点25分. 现在晚上11点59分. So we put our AM, PM, not just AM, PM, we actually separate according to where is the sun. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Okay, so we have these 5 slots. We'll put the time. You practice more and you will understand our Chinese way. Okay, so we will have 早上, remember, 下午, 晚上, basically these 3. Okay, so do you want to try? Can you copy down this and then try to write English or this one Chinese? Okay, so 5 minutes. Okay, so the first one is 下午3点, which means 下午, so 3 p.m., right? 早上7点, so 早上 is morning, so a.m., 7 a.m. 晚上8点, so 晚上 is p.m., 8 p.m. 晚上10点, so 10 p.m. 下午2点 is 2 p.m. 下午, okay? 9 p.m. we'll say 晚上, okay? So 晚上9点. 8 a.m. morning, so you can say 早上8点. 11 p.m. p.m. is 晚上, so 晚上11点. 1 p.m. so 下午1点. Okay, so it's actually quite easy practice, and tomorrow we'll continue with this time subject, time topic. Okay, 来，明天见。